Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is braised beef noodle soup, which is one of the traditional Chinese delicacies that originated in mainland China and is especially popular in the north and Taiwan. Let's get started. Make the braised beef first. Prepare 1000 grams of beef and cut it into pieces. Look at the seasonings: 30 grams of scallions, cut into sections, 3 slices of ginger, 5 cloves of garlic, 3 fresh red chili, of course you can use dried chili instead, 2 star anise, a piece of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 4 tablespoons of oil. Sole seasoning is the paste made from soybeans. 4 tablespoons. Because of it, there is no need to add salt to this dish. Heat a pot of water, bring to a boil, blanch the beef. In order to remove impurities and blood, boil the water again, remove the foam, fish out the beef, set aside. Heat a wok over medium heat, add oil. Then add sugar, let the oil melt the sugar. Then add the scallions, stir fry for a while. When you smell the aroma of scallions, add blanched beef, continue to stir fry for a while. Add light soy sauce, cooking wine, ginger, garlic, red chili, star anise, cinnamon, and soybean paste. Then add at least 1000 milliliters of water, bring to a boil, cover and simmer on low heat for at least 90 minutes. If you want to save time, an electric pressure cooker is also a good choice. 90 minutes later, turn off the heat. Red braised beef is ready. Prepare 100 grams of noodles and some green vegetables. Heat a pot of water and bring to a boil. First blanch the vegetables. Then add the noodles, boil until cooked through. Transfer to a big bowl. Arrange the blanched vegetables, then pour in the braised beef. Delicious and nutritious braised beef noodle soup is ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.